Hello and welcome. Thank you so much for clicking in. Right, going gluten free can be sometimes challenging, especially when you just want to make simple pancakes, and yeah, sometimes some cakes. So, this is a recipe that I have made and it works. So, this is glutinous rice flour. The first flour was tapioca flour, or I did use yam flour I made here myself. And then we have brown rice flour. So, four simple ingredients: brown rice flour, glutinous rice flour, tapioca flour or yam flour, and then we've got potato starch as the final ingredient, all in equal amounts. I'm using 100 grams of each. So, four ingredients. Mix this thing with a whisk and then just put it in a jar and store and use this to make your pancakes, use this to make your home baked goods, but and biscuits. But I haven't ever tried using it to make bread. I'm not a big bread person, but this is it. This is a simple gluten-free homemade flour mix you can make, and you can enjoy your baked goods once again if you're gluten-free, and these are low inflammatory flours. That's why I've got 50% tubers. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This is where I'll store mine. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and also leave a comment. Let me know what sort of gluten-free flour mixes you use, and I will see you in another video. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video if you've enjoyed it, if it's added any value to you, and bye bye.